Hi everyone and welcome to the Facebook Live session. I'm Avanne Dubash. We'll be walking you through how the markets shaped up. Do remember you can like, comment and please remember to share the video. Well, the start of the market and the end of it were almost like two different days. Well, you had a very heady start to the equity markets. We gradually made our way and then, bam, time to pop the champagne as we crossed the coveted level, the all-time high of 11,760 on the Nifty, the level that we last touched in August 2018. In fact, we scaled quite comfortably above that level and went on to hit a new record high. We were holding out above that level for the most part of the trading day. Some amount of consolidation kicked in, but by the time we shut shop, it was quite a different story as the profit booking was very evident. In fact, the level on the Nifty by the time we closed was 11,643, down about 0.5%. The breadth by the time we closed was in favor of the losing side, and it was the broader end of the market that saw a cut of nearly 1%. So for the Sensex as well, it was down nearly 179 points with pressure coming in from PSU banks, media, energy, pharma, infrastructure. The Nifty Bank as well, which has been supporting the rally so far, was a bit tempered in today's trading session. Metals, real estate, those were the sectors that managed to hold their head above the green line. But you had quite a few drags today in trade. It was the oil marketing companies, so BPCL in the red. Z Entertainment struggled down nearly 3%. IOC lost out steam. You had SBI, something like ICICI Bank. Those were some of the banking stocks along with Yes Bank that came under pressure today. L&T, Grasim, Tech Mahindra, Airtel, Sun Pharma, and then autos like M&M as well as Aisha pressed the brakes quite hard. On the upside though, Indiabulls Housing 3.5% there. It was a cluster of stocks that had a really good run today. Maruti was one of them though, by the way, 7,000 plus. Bajaj Finserv, HCL Technologies, HDFC bucked the general trend, and you had Tata Steel as well as HCL Tech. Those were some of the other bright spots. Well, in terms of newsmakers, first up it was SkyMet that spoke about the monsoon forecast. They're talking about a normal monsoon forecast, below normal, monsoon forecast, and the June-September monsoon rain seen at 93% of the long period average. So the fact that it's going to be a below normal as well could be a little bit worrying for an agri-based Indian economy such as ours. Meantime, lots of newsmakers in trade today. Amara Raja, the Gala family and Johnson Controls terminated their pacts. The stock down 6.5%. Reliance Jio has transferred their fiber and tower assets to an InvIT structure. Morgan Stanley hails this as a positive. Eicher Motors, Nomura downgraded the stock to reducing. Demand is weak, competition is very high. Bharti Airtel, despite CLSA's buy call and target at 410, the stock was in the red. Sadbhav Engineering, sources say that the company is in the last stages of the deal with a global strategic investor, and the CPPIB is the front runner for the three-buyer race. Meantime, Marico gave some very positive sound bites. They said margins will improve, growth is picking up, demand is looking strong, rural growth outlook is very upbeat as well. So we'll have to see what exactly the company delivers going forward. But, we've been talking to a lot of experts. They're saying that by and large, when it comes to the consumption space, there are better bets out there. Graphite India is going to permanently close their facility in Bengaluru. Cadila Healthcare and Focus, the US FDA, has issued an observation for one of their facilities, and Jet Airways as well. The fact that there are 6 more aircraft grounded, the resolution plan, according to sources, may not be affected by the Supreme Court striking down the Feb 12th circular. From the broader end of the market, some stocks that were under pressure. Amara Raja, SL Propack really had it rough. JSW Energy was in the red. Something like Vodafone Idea lost steam. Coromandel International was in the red. Syndicate Bank, Inox Leisure, Parag, Union Bank, HSCL, PNB, those were some of the other stocks in the red. While on the upside, you had JP Associates, Deepak Fertilizers rallied, MMTC had a good run, Bandhan Bank, Siemens, Magma FinCorp, Indiabulls Housing, Swan Energy, Indoco Remedies, those are some of the other stocks in the green. But come tomorrow, it's going to be the all-important credit policy by the Reserve Bank. And we're by and large expecting a 25 basis points rate cut. That is the verdict on the street. We'll have to see whether or not there are going to be any surprises by the RBI governor. We'll have lots lined up on the show on the market tomorrow. First up, Adrian Moat joins in at 9:20 a.m. to talk about the FI fuel rally, whether or not it's here to stay. Sonal Verma will be joining in, chief economist at Nomura, as to what the street is betting on when it comes to policy, what kind of language will we hear from the RBI governor. And we also have a view coming in from the management of Balaji at 10 a.m. To talk about the OTT platform growth. Digital is definitely the way to go. So what is their strategy over there? That and lots more corporate voices and market talk lined up. But for now, that's a wrap on this Market Live. Do remember to share this video. Thanks guys for watching.